This machine has absolutely changed what is possible with a glass tube laser. This is the COBRA by OneLaser, your new workshop essential. COBRA's high-power motor system hits 2G acceleration and 1200 millimeters per second, outpacing every glass tube machine on the market. Less overshoot, faster recovery, smoother paths. And with DSP path optimization, COBRA runs 2 to 3 times more efficiently than G-code machines. A 30-minute job, done in 10 to 15. COBRA is built on aerospace-grade aluminum, NVH tested to maintain stability and accuracy, even at full speed. A fixed honeycomb table eliminates microshifts, and the ball screw Z-axis holds repeat accuracy to 0.01 millimeters. Fully enclosed, low maintenance, and with front to rear pass-through. COBRA handles materials up to 45 millimeters thick, growing right alongside your business. COBRA makes every step effortless. One press autofocus sets the perfect focal distance automatically. The red dot module shows exactly where the laser lands before it fires. And the patented mag switch lens holder lets you swap and clean lenses in seconds. No tools needed. Precise, simple, and always in control. Every COBRA comes with a wide-angle camera and movable Z-axis, so you visually place your design directly on the material before the laser ever fires. No guesswork, no manual framing, and with the GT5C touchscreen, full machine control is right at your fingertips. No jumping back and forth to a laptop. Airflow makes or breaks your results. Burning, rough edges, and inconsistent cuts often come down to improper pressure. COBRA's smart dual air assist automatically optimizes high and low pressure for every material and application. Clean finishes, zero damage, consistent output every time. And the best part? Set it once, forget it forever. COBRA's laser head comes ready for an optimal IR module. No retrofitting, just plug and go. That gives you dual laser capability across 300 plus materials. CO2 for cutting and engraving non-metals, infrared for precise metal engraving. One machine, far beyond what a traditional CO2 can do. Safety is built into every layer of COBRA. A high temperature sensor automatically stops the machine if heat spikes. Structured wiring and certified connectors meet global safety standards. Internal monitors track conditions in real time. And if power goes out, COBRA picks right back up where you left off, built for peace of mind. When you buy COBRA, you get more than a machine. You get a real team behind you. Setup, training, long-term support. We're with you every step, plus nationwide on-site service across the US. Fast, reliable, and built around your success. COBRA was built for one reason: to be the world's best glass tube CO2 laser and the strongest foundation for your business. Peak performance, built for your workshop, ready to scale. Start stronger, work faster, grow without limits. Get yours at OneLaser.com, and our US team is with you every step.